Okay, we have lot number G331 for our August the 3rd, 2022 auction. This is All City Auctioneers. We use an online auction site called bcsurplus.com, and it is an O'Brien Manufacturing hydro jetter. This is trailer mounted. Needs a boost, so of course my booster pack is not included. I'll give you a little walk around here. Of course, hard to test something like this other than fire up the engine. So I'll give you a walk around, start the engine idles, Kubota diesel, you know, kind of like one of those ones that never dies. There you go there. I don't know if you can see the model. I'm gonna go up there. But it's a 4-cylinder diesel. I've got my booster pack on this, so I'm just gonna go fire it up now so you can listen to it, and then I'll do the other part of the walk around. So no accessories with this unit. In other words, you see what you get, or you get what you see. This is a cold start. I have had it just like maybe a 5-second run. So glow plug, and then here I gotta figure out how to do this, guys, because I got to push this little safety button. Oof. So right there, see, there you go there. Gonna see if I can get that engine to idle up a bit just by finding a throttle. Look at that, eh? Good thing I grew up on a farm. Know how to just grab a throttle. Anyways, we got 1,481 hours. Okay, I'm gonna shut that off so I don't have to yell at you. 1,481.4 hours. I haven't tried any of the levers to see if they engage, move, or operate. But so obviously the hose reel here, not very full. Looks like it's got about 2 wraps, maybe 3 wraps. I think it's got 3 wraps on it, maybe more, I don't know, but I can see 3. The end, it looks like it's just a fitting. So the reel's gear powered, so it's pressure powered or whatever, hydraulic powered. Single axle trailer, pintle style hitch. So there you go. So obviously you need some accessories. You got it. This is a government surplus item. It is selling on August the 3rd, 2022. We are located in Langley, British Columbia. We are All City Auctioneers, and this is part of the government surplus vehicle and equipment auction with some estate vehicles, a whole bunch of collectibles, Harley Davidsons, and various other items in the sale. Highest bid wins, guys. So hope you get another buy-by auction. There we go.